ang kawan ni Kagawad Yunila. At si Agro Ecosystem Analysis number 5, Group 4. General Information, Variety 508, Area 200 meters. Date zone, May 23, 2024. Date transplanted, June 10, 2024. Fertilizer applied, Basal, June 17, 2024. Basal, June 46, 001 kilo. Strictly 14, 1 kilo. First applied, June 24, 2024. 46,001 kilo. Strictly 14, 1 kilo. Second applied, July 4, 2024. Strictly 14, 2 kilo. Weather condition limited. Kami kagawan sa July 22, 2024. Wala sa mabutan na ni kagawan. Age of the crop,